Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting on YouTube, signed into the account that shows the homepage you want to change. First, open YouTube.com or the app and go to the Home tab. Once there, locate the specific suggested video or recommended row you want removed. For single videos, click the three-dot menu beside the thumbnail. For a whole recommendation, open the channel menu or more options. Make sure you're on the correct profile. Changes apply per Google account. Now you'll act. For one-off videos, tap the three dots and choose Not Interested. YouTube uses that signal to stop similar suggestions. If a channel floods your homepage, pick Don't Recommend Channel to remove all current and future videos from that source. For broader correction, open History and remove specific watched items or clear watch history. Recommendations update based on history changes. Once done, refresh the Home tab to confirm the visible content has adjusted to your preferences. Finish by tuning settings. Go to History Controls and pause Watch or Search History if you want immediate reduction in personalized picks or clear history to reset suggestions. Make sure to refresh and, if needed, sign out and test in incognito to confirm changes are account-specific. If recommendations persist, clear the app cache, update or reinstall the app, and repeat the Not Interested steps. Troubleshooting tip. If hiding fails, try a different browser or device to rule out local caching issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.